Cake pan. I use a cake pan. Splatter screen. The splatter screen is clean. Fine mesh strainer. I wash the rice with a fine mesh strainer. Soup ladle. She serves soup with a soup ladle. Milk frother. The milk frother makes foam. Mixing bowl. The mixing bowl is big. Boning knife. He uses a boning knife. Jar opener. The jar opener helps me. Compost bin. The compost bin is full. Paper towel holder. The paper towel holder is on the wall. Spatula. I flip eggs with a spatula. Basting brush. She uses a basting brush. Bread lame. The bread lame is sharp. Measuring cup. I need a measuring cup. Panini press. The panini press is hot. Garlic mincer. This garlic mincer works well. Sauté pan. The sauté pan is on the stove. Dish rack. The plates are on the dish rack. Egg separator. I use an egg separator. Apple corer. The apple corer is easy to use. Double boiler. The chocolate is in the double boiler. Cooling rack. The cookies are on the cooling rack. Pizza stone. The pizza stone is very hot. Kitchen scale. The kitchen scale is small. Oven mitt. I wear an oven mitt. Lid. Please close the lid. Sauté pan. She cooks vegetables in a sauté pan. Food mill. The food mill is useful. Cheese slicer. He cuts cheese with a cheese slicer. Ladle stand. The ladle stand is clean. Marinade injector. The marinade injector is new. Dutch oven. The Dutch oven is heavy. Grill pan. I cook meat in a grill pan. Raclette grill. The raclette grill is ready. Bread box. The bread is in the bread box. Skillet. The skillet is hot. Pizza cutter. Use the pizza cutter. Meat thermometer. The meat thermometer shows the temperature. Pot holder. I need a pot holder. Cleaver. The cleaver is very sharp. Scale. The scale is on the table. Potato masher. She uses a potato masher. Fermenting crock. The fermenting crock is large. Teapot. The teapot is full. Garlic press. I have a garlic press. Freezer containers. The freezer containers are clean. Ladle. She holds a ladle. Bench scraper. The bench scraper is useful. Nutcracker. The nutcracker is strong. Flour sifter. I use a flour sifter. Electric kettle. The electric kettle boils water. Wok. He cooks noodles in a wok. Paring knife. The paring knife is small. Tart pan. This tart pan is round. Salt grinder. Please pass the salt grinder.
Thank you for watching.